Welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can cut a video on your Android phone. So there is two ways. Sometimes in the Android you have something like a built-in editor, and to do it just open the gallery, choose the video that you want to edit, tap edit, and just cut it here by these little sliders. But if you don't have editor in your gallery, just go back, download this app, its name is UCut. Now just add your movie by this little plus, choose new project and select your video. If you're ready, click the arrow and just click trim. Now adjust the length of your video, and if you're ready, click here and just save the video. Adjust the settings for your needs and click save again. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.